Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashikuzzaman Shahan. My ID 221265113. I am excited to share my journey as a law student. I am currently in my third year at Daffodil International University, one of the leading private universities in Bangladesh, and I hail from uh, Kurigram. I completed my SSC from Nageshwari Dayamami Pilot Academy in 2018 and my SSC from Nageshwari Gop College in 2020. My academic journey has fueled my vision for law and justice. I aspire to become a judicial magistrate where I can contribute to the legal system and serve my country. I believe in the importance of justice and fairness in society. As part of my legal training, I have drafted written statement, bail application, and claim. I am activities learning the penal code, the code of civil procedure, and the code of criminal procedure of Bangladesh. Along with various international law, my studies include the basic principle and of intentional jurisprudence, the principle of natural justice, and the original and evolution of English common law, as well as the international criminal justice system. In addition to my club membership, I actively participate in various extracurricular activities, including workshops, seminars, and legal awareness programs. This experience have helped me develop a strong communication and teamwork skill while enhancing my understanding of legal concepts. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I am eager to continue my journey in the legal field and look forward to making a positive impact of our legal system. Thank you so much.